Hello guys, I am Flash Isaac, and today I'll be taking you through substitution under operation on polynomials. I already established that polynomials are expressions with ascending or descending power of variables. Now taking a look at this expression, you see 3, 5, 7, 4 and 2, and you see S, S, S and S. So these numbers 3, 5, 4, 7, 1 and 2, they are constants. So the counting numbers 1, 5, 7, they are constant in the sense that they don't change. However, variables change. They can take different values. And polynomials has to do with ascending or descending power of variables. Taking a look at this variable, you see that s raised to the power of 4, then here s raised to the power of 3, then here s raised to the power of 2, then here is s raised to the power of 1. When you write just s, it's the same thing as s raised to the power of 1. Then here is s raised to the power of 0. Yes, this 2 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 2s raised to the power of 0. And any number, meaningful number that is raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this implies that 2 raised to the power, this is 1 equals 2. So it doesn't change anything. It can be given a polynomial expression in this form. Now, given this form, considering the powers, you'll be able to know that, okay, this is a polynomial. It's not left for you to put it in standard form. So you rearrange it to get this polynomial. So having known that, let's see how do we substitute in polynomial, or given the polynomial question, how do we know that we are required to do substitution? If function of s is equal to this expression, evaluate function of 1. What does this tell you? Function of s, it means this expression carries s, is equals 3s raised to the power of 4 minus 5s raised to the power of 3 plus 7s squared minus 4s plus 2. So this is function of s, it has s. Now function of 1 simply means instead of s, put 1. Function of s, function of 1. So we are replacing the variables with 1. So substitute 1 for s. So that's what substitution in polynomial means. And that's how you do substitution under polynomials. So it's very simple. We come here. This is 3s raised to the power of 4. But in this case, we are no longer using s. We are substituting 1. So instead of s, we put 1 raised to the power of 4. You've replaced minus 5. Instead of s is 1 raised to the power of 3 plus 7 1 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 then 1 plus 2. So in this case, we've substituted. So given a polynomial and they say find the function of something else, it can be function of 5, function of 20. All you need to do is substitute the value you are asked to substitute. And this thing is read as function of s. You can also have function of y, function of 2. Then we simplify. 3. 1 raised to the power of 4 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is equals 1. So here remains 1 minus 5. 1 raised to the power of 3 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Plus 7. 1 raised to the power of 2 is still 1. That's 1 times 1 is 1. Minus 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2. Then we simplify further. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. Minus 4 plus 2. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 3 minus 5. You can interpret this as 3 means you have 3. Minus 5 means you are owing 5. So if you give the 3 you are owing, it will remain 2. So you are still owing. Is minus. So minus 1. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 7. You are owing 2. You have 7 and you paid. You'll be left with 5. That 5 is now your own. You are not owing. So this is a 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's the answer. It's free. So take a look at that again. Just like we've done before, it simply means substitute 2 for s in this polynomial expression. You simply come, say, okay, function of 2 is equals 4s raised to the power of 3. Instead of s, we are now using 2. So we now have 4 2 raised to the power of 3 plus 3 2 square plus 2 2 minus 4. We've substituted. So what next? We simplify the expression, this expression. So 4, 2 raised to the power of 3 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. This will give you 8 plus 3. 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 times 2, 4 minus 4. 4 times 8 is the same thing as 8 times 4. It means 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 into 4 places. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. So this is 32 plus 12 plus 4 minus 4. 32 plus 12 is 4. So to give you 44 plus 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 we already cancel, so we are left with 44. So that is the answer to that question. Amazing, right? So let's see the last one. If function of s is this, find function of 5. And in polynomials, take a look at this. The highest power of variable in polynomial is called degree. This one, the highest power of variable is 4. This implies that this polynomial is of degree 4. This polynomial is of degree 3. The highest power of variable is 3. While this polynomial, the degree is 2. The highest power of variable is 2 after rearranging. So given function of s is this, 3. Function of s is equals to s is power of 2 plus 3s plus 1. So function of 5 will simply be 2 5 square plus 3 5 plus 1. 5 square is 25 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 1. So 2 times 25 is 50. So 50 plus 15 plus 1. 50 plus 15 is 65 plus 1 is 66. So that is it. Hope you enjoyed this class. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more amazing videos. Thank you.